Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this T shape as you can see in this diagram, such that its horizontal length is 19 units, whereas its vertical lengths are 3, 8, 5, and 9 respectively. Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of this given shape. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And now we want to calculate the perimeter of this given shape. And keep in your mind that perimeter is nothing more than just the total boundary length of this shape. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on the horizontal path of this boundary. Let's focus on this highlighted part. This is 19 units. And likewise, these fragmented horizontal paths add up to 19 units. As you can see, they would nicely fit in, as you can see in this diagram. So therefore, the total horizontal distance, I'm going to represent h for horizontal distance, is going to be 19 plus 19. So our horizontal length turns out to be 38 units. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and focus on the vertical path of this boundary. Now we know the value of these vertical segments. This is 3 units, this is 8, this is 5, and this is 9. And now we are going to calculate the vertical length of these segments, this one and this one as well. So therefore, we are going to draw these dotted lines over here and likewise over here as well. And now we can see that this length is 3 units, so therefore this length is going to be 3 units as well. And now we know that this whole length is 5 units, and we know this part is 3, so therefore this part is going to be 2 units. And now we know that this whole length from here to here is 8 units. So therefore, this whole length is going to be 8 units as well. And now we know that these two individual lengths are 5 units. So therefore, the remaining, this is going to be 3 units as well, since they add up to 8 units. And finally, let's focus on this vertical length. We want to find the value of this one. This length is equal to this length, and this tiny length is 2 units. So therefore, this length has got to be 9 minus 2 is going to be 7 units. If this length is 7 units, then this vertical length is going to be 7 units as well. So therefore, our total vertical path is going to be 7 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 and finally plus 9. As you can see over here, I have added all these numbers up, and V represents the vertical path. Here you can see this 7 is accounted for this one, 3 is right here, 8 is right here, all these 3, 2, 3 are right up here. Finally, this is 5 and 9 over here as well. And if we add all these numbers on the right hand side, so our vertical path turns out to be equal to 40 units. So therefore, the perimeter of this given shape is going to be, we are going to add up these two horizontal and vertical distances. So let me go ahead and write down 38 plus 40. So therefore our perimeter turns out to be 78 units. So thus the perimeter of this given shape turns out to be 78 units. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.